Ukoko Uyono Urhobo Language, Uyono Urhobo is what learning. Today we are going to teach on the Ibiẹbe, ibieta, 4 letter words. Continuation. Nonẹ, nonẹ today, nonẹ today, nonẹ today. Nama cow, nama cow, nama cow, nama cow. Vọke with time, Vọke with time. Emoji Vọke, everything is with time. Okay. Osio rain, Osio rain, Osio raw. It's raining. Dede hug, Dede hug. Oniweri Dede, your mother is back. Your mother is back. Hug her. Oniweri Dede, your mother is back. Hug her. Nonẹ today, nonẹ make pada. Today I'm going out. Nama cow, inama nacha, the cow is coming. Vọke imweje, Vọke, everything with time. Osio, Osioro, the rain is falling or it's raining. Dede, Oniweri Dede. Urhobo Uyono is what learning. It is your responsibility to speak your language to your children. Why should Urhobo Uyono is what learning. I'll remain your humble presenter, Ekurume, Owumi, Ọghẹnẹnyerhovwo, Urhobo is what learning. You can download an app on Play Store, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo, and follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn and all that. Wado.